What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Jack's Drinkwater Southern Cooking and Barbecue. In today's video, I got an Instant Pot beef stew for you. It's gonna be like the most easiest beef stew you've probably ever done. It's dump and go. What I mean by dump and go, there's no browning of the meat, there's no cornstarch slurry. You just throw everything in there, pressure it, and it comes out awesome. All right, guys, let's get busy. All right, guys, I hope you guys are ready to get this party started, because the party, if you're not, the party's starting without you. So the first thing we're gonna start out with is our liquid. All right, so our liquid is gonna be the Spicy V8. Now this is a 5.5 ounce can. We're gonna put the whole can in there. And I don't want you to freak out when I tell you this. Trust me on this, it's gonna be fine. This is all the liquid that is going in this. All right, so next thing was going in a strange ingredient, but a must-have ingredient. We're going in with some tapioca pearls, and I'm gonna just stick those in there now, and then I'm gonna tell you. I keep my tapioca pearls in a little mason jar like this. There's several types of tapioca pearls. There's some large ones, some medium ones, some small ones, and look, when I say small, I'm talking there. This is 2 of them here, so they're very small. Okay, so you want to get the smallest ones. So don't try to substitute these tapioca pearls with tapioca starch or pudding or whatever. You gotta have tapioca pearls. Now that was 2 tablespoons. So I get these tapioca pearls at my little Asian market for like $1. Really cheap. All right, next up, we're going in with 2 pounds of stew meat. I'm just gonna kind of push this down in here. All right, so next step, guys, before we move on, I like to let those tapioca pearls and everything just hang out in here before I dump the rest of my ingredients. It may not be necessary. I just find that the tapioca pearls give me a better result when I do it this way. All right, so while we're sitting here letting this hang out, we're gonna chop up some vegetables. All right, welcome back. So we're going in now with our chopped vegetables. I have 1 large onion here going in, and I also have a pound of carrots going in. All right, just so you know, I have some carrots here, and these carrots, I like to keep them fairly large so you can see. All right, and we're going in with 1.5 large potatoes, and my potatoes I'm keeping very large as well, about like that, and roughly trying to keep them basically the same size, or as close to the same size as we can. All right, now that we got our vegetables in there, let's add some seasonings. So going in, I have some salt and pepper. And that's actually 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper that we're putting in there. Followed by 1 tablespoon of sugar, about 2 to 3 cloves of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of tomato paste, all right, now you could measure this out, but I'm not going to, and this is an optional step. When I have it, I use it. If I don't have it, I don't make a special trip to go get it, so you could leave this out. I've got like a glug of red wine going in, a splash of soy sauce, about like that. And a splash of Worcestershire sauce. So now that we got all that incorporated in, let's give this a good stir. And that's one of the great things about using this new Instant Pot that I got, which is the Instant Pot Duo Evo Plus. I just got this, and I love it so far. But you see, it doesn't move around. Okay, so that looks stirred up good. Let's put the lid on this. All right, we're gonna go 32 minutes on high pressure, and we're gonna let the pressure come down naturally. All right, the pressures just came down. We may fog up a little bit, just bear with me. Looking good, looking real good. All right, let's give this a taste. Well, let me get in here. I'm just having a small bowl. We're having this tonight. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be hot. All right, the meat is very, very tender. I can already tell you. Whoo! That's some of the best Instant Pot beef stew to come out of an Instant Pot, in my opinion. It's the easiest dump and go recipe for beef stew out of the Instant Pot as well. All right, guys, beef stew in your Instant Pot. Dump and go. Do it.